So keeping in mind the analogy I was discussing, let's compare it with the actual working of an NPN transistor. So before comparing or equating the analogy, some basic aspects of NPN transistor I will tell you. This is emitter, this is base, and this is collector. Emitter is moderately doped, base is lightly doped, and collector is heavily doped. So width of collector is highest, width of base is lowest. So this width is moderate. So coming to the analogy, here when I say NE is the room A, it's the emitter region or N region. This is a NPN transistor. So this is room A. PB, B for base, and P for this P region. So that is security guards. NC is room B. C is the collector. So VB is the fire zone and VCB is the safe zone. As I was already telling, since there was fire here, people started to settle in this room. They wanted to come and settle in this room. So more and more fire, what they will do is break open this barrier or break open this room, overpower the security guards, and their objective is to reach room B from room A. Let's see how does it happen. So VB is the base emitter voltage, the voltage applied across base and emitter. What happens is, consider this VB as a fire zone. So as the fire starts to increase more and more, or the voltage starts to increase more and more, these electrons break this barrier potential and move to this region, base region. Here these holes are the security guards. So the number of holes, for example, here there are 10 holes. This 10 holes will be able to recombine with only 10 electrons. Remaining electrons will cross this junction. So similar analogy I was telling about, this 10 security guards will able to stop only 10 people from moving across this region to room B. So remaining people will start to move. So as the fire started to increase, people starts to move in this region. In the same way, electrons recombine with these holes. This is a PN junction diode. PN junction diode, NPN transistor is a PN junction diode connected back to back. So this is one PN junction diode where some amount of recombination takes place and this barrier is broken due to application of 0.7 voltage, which is barrier potential of silicon diode, and then the electron starts to move to the N region and starts accumulating here. So this VCB is the safe zone I was before discussing. People always get attracted to the safe zone. So VCB is a heavily reverse biased. So how it is reverse biased? This is N region and this is a positive. So electrons will be more and more attracted to this positive terminal. So similarly, people will be more and more attracted to the safe zone. So since it is heavily reverse biased, electron starts to travel in this direction. So when coming to current, electrons gets repelled in this direction due to negative terminal connected here. So emitter current flows in the opposite direction to that of electrons. Here recombination takes place, so electrons move in this direction, so base current move in the opposite direction. Again here attraction of electrons takes place and collector current moves in the opposite direction. So this IE is equal to IB plus IC is the universal current equation, universal transistor current equation for BJT. It follows Kirchhoff law because one current is leaving the junction and two currents are entering the junction. IE is leaving emitter current and base and collector current are entering the junction. So IE is equal to IB plus IC. So this is the simple analogy I wanted to discuss while talking about the NPN transistor so that you will understand it better. So give your comments on the comment section so that this concept with this analogy is clear or not, so that I will implement these type of analogies in more and more lectures to come. Thank you.